Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live webinar. We're going to focus on WTI and Brent crude oil using artificial intelligence, and we're going to show how the AI has traded these commodity instruments over the last year or so. We'll be using 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, the tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works is the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combination of indicators and market relationships using genetic algorithms. Now, the way it does it, it takes all available technical indicators and tests them with all available settings and only identify those with a high probability of success, and that's what we're looking for. Now, the Fulgent AI engine sits on the Metastock platform. It was developed by the Nirvana System Company in the last 25 years, and Metastock has been providing award-winning charting analysis tools for the self-directed trader for over 30 years. So these are reputable long-term partners in your journey trading with artificial intelligence. Now, if we had to run a systems test testing how the Fulgent AI that we've now trained on the oil stocks, WTI and Brent, how does this trading strategy compare to MACD, stochastics, relative strength, momentum, CCI, Bollinger Band, and exponential moving average crossovers? A trading system, you can see the AI, the Fulgent AI over, let's say, 10,000 trading days generates the highest average profit per trade. So you can see the AI is simply the best as compared to the other trading strategies on a consistent basis. Now we're looking at 10,000 trading days, so you can see the highest average profit per trade. Fulgent AI there wins overall. So you can see the AI definitely on a risk adjusted basis, certainly the most profitable trading strategy you can use to trade Brent and WTI using artificial intelligence on a consistent basis. The long-term position using the artificial intelligence on light crude is up more than 500%. Absolutely fantastic trade. You've been in this trade since beginning May, mid-April, and there was an entry point there at $13. You could have tried the negative price, but I think on a practical trade execution basis, you would not have been able to get that. But certainly the next open trade was about $13, and that trade's worked out very well, up more than 500% using artificial intelligence. Now, the AI that I've been using, here are the trading statistics of this AI. Now, the major market reversal strategy is successful 89% of the time. So there's an 89% probability of success with an average profit per trade of 11%. The swing trade oil strategy is 86% accurate with an average profit per trade of 7%. The volatility breakout on average is 56% accurate with an average profit per trade of 3.1%. Now, this is over thousands and thousands of trades, more than 20,000 data points. Quick move, that's a nice swing trade strategy in after the day after the signal, and you're out on the 3rd and 4th day. That's a 71% accuracy with a 2.1% average profit per trade. So you can see we're using a high probability artificial intelligence trading strategy, and we're not looking for low probability trades. Our idea is to trade less, but to make better profits more on a consistent basis. And as you can see from the chart, the WTI trade worked out beautifully, up more than 500%, excluding leverage. So depending on what size futures contract you were trading and what type of leverage, your returns will most probably be much higher. Now, drilling down on the intraday scenario, let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart on light crude. So 4-hour chart, August, September, we had some fantastic trades, a lovely volatility breakout there, another one there, and then on the 20th, another one. So you can see, depending if you're trading with the AI stop loss or not, or your own risk-adjusted stop loss, depending on your own risk management principles, you can see the AI has generated some fantastic trade. The most recent one also up in there around about 77.5 up to $81. So that the 4-hour chart works out fantastically. Let's go and take a look at the hourly AI trader using the artificial intelligence on light crude on an hourly basis. Also fantastic swing trades here, volatility breakout there, volatility breakout there, swing trade there, volatility breakout beginning October, caught that move, another swing trade 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, captured the entire move on the 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So you can see even on an hourly basis you can use the AI to screen for high probability oil trades, since we now know how successful these individual trade signals are on average. Okay. Now the Brent crude trade, there was a major market reversal back here in April. Fantastic signal there. This trade is up 311% using no leverage, just a standard cash contract there, no leverage, up 311% all the way from $20 to $83. Once again, this AI is generating some fantastic returns on Brent on the daily basis. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart, see what the trade's been on the 4-hour chart. Takes a couple of seconds to load. You can see a volatility breakout here, 23rd, captured that move. Quite a lot of nice trades here from a swing trade perspective. You can decide what your profit targets are, but you can see here once again, also in here around about the 66 level, and now it's 83. There's a couple of sells here as well. So you can see on the 4-hour chart, also fantastic. The volatility breakout one works in quite well trading Brent. If we're going to look at the hourly, now once again, I did not train the AI to look for hourly. We're just taking the daily signals to see if they're efficient on an hourly. You can retrain the AI to look specifically for more detailed signals on the hourly, but you can see a volatility breakout. Yeah, lovely move there. Swing trade there. That one got stopped out. Quick move there. Volatility breakout, they all captured some nice moves there. Swing trade there, that one got stopped out, depending on if you were following the trailing stop of the AI or not. But normally when it hits the stop loss and reverse massively like that the next day, then I tend to stay in the trade. And now we're up here at around about 83 zone. So you can see the last trade working out quite well with a trailing stop at 83.50. So the oil Brent crude trade working quite well on the hourly, 4-hour, and then the daily trade all still long the market and banking those profits to the upside. This is all unleveraged returns. Absolutely fantastic using the artificial intelligence engine to trade Brent and WTI. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.